I hope you never get tired of seeing some viral TikTok videos from the skincare segment as I react to them and hopefully teach you a little bit. The CO2 laser is in this one, and it's one of my favorite procedures to perform, and we're gonna see that skin tighten among other really amazing videos that I have found on TikTok. Let's dive into it. Board certified dermatologist, let's see what's going on. All right, we've got a tool, we've got gloves, pushing from the bottom. Pretty good technique. I don't know if they got it all out, but not too bad. All right, we've got a cyst here. Probably started from an ingrown hair, and they're pulling it out. They got a good grip on it, and the whole thing pops out nicely with the hair wrapped around it. I like this. This was good, 10 out of 10. You know it's gonna be good when it's happening in a barber shop. They've got the neck thing around there, and they're just squeezing on it with their bare hands because why not? I don't know why barbers do this. It's not in America. All right, we are back for multiple Comone extractions. Sac depth spa, I believe here, using gloves, using a Comone extractor, and just applying pressure around those blackheads so everything comes out of the top. I do like the technique that they're using here. These are super fun, incredibly satisfying to watch. But some of these are so huge that come out of there. They just keep coming. I don't know why there's so much of this at this spa. Like, is that the only thing that they do? Like worms, look at that. Look at that. How many more are we gonna get? Let's see. We got a bit, let's go. There's a lot of them on the skin there. Retinol, retinol, retinol. Be putting on that retinol. With a lot like this, maybe even a genetic condition going on to cause so many comedones. Certainly it's the type of skin that they've inherited. And in some cases like this, I might actually just put a patient on Accutane and really try to dry up those oil glands so that they're not getting this recurrently, because topical medications like retinol are, although effective, can only go so far. If you have this many forming on the skin, you might need to treat it from the inside. And isotretinoin, Accutane, Roaccutane, whatever it's called where you're at, can be a really good option. And because there's not a ton of inflammation, it's not inflammatory cystic acne, a course of Accutane is probably going to take a little longer, but ultimately it would give you a really good result. Coming to the end here. How many more are we going to get? So much stuff. I promised you the CO2 laser, and here it is. This is using CO2 laser to target water in the skin, create these small channels. You can see the skin tighten up around each one of those squares. Watch closely, go back and rewatch. You can see the skin start to pull together. One of the best procedures for tightening the skin. It can help to remove superficial pigmentation on the skin. Pretty low downtime settings, it looks like here. This is probably not gonna be too bad to recover from. I love performing CO2 laser clinic, and we have the Cool Peel in my office. If you're near me and you want low downtime CO2, just give us a call, 208 Skin Doc. Holy cow, that is a massive pimple on the nose, but why does the skin look so different there? How would that have grown up? I am dubious. I don't think this is real. I think that we're looking at a makeup artist. He's pushing, 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 and no, just rips the whole thing off. It was makeup. If you have something like that on your nose, you shouldn't be going after it on your own. Go see a doctor. All right, we've got a giant cyst forming on the back of the leg, and they are just spraying it right onto the floor, no gloves. I wish that was a little longer, because I'd like to see how much can actually come out of there. Guys, I hope you enjoyed these videos as much as I like watching and reacting to them, and hopefully you learn a little bit along the way. Board certified dermatologist, Dr. Dustin in Boise, Idaho, accepting new patients, but mostly here just to have some fun and hopefully teach you a little bit about how to take better care of your skin. If you want more just strictly educational content, there are lots of videos on my main YouTube channel at Dr. Dustin Portela. I'll link it down in the video description so you guys can check that out as well. Thank you for watching. If you want just more reactions, here they are. Take a look at them and enjoy.